Welcome students. We are going to start a new chapter in economics, that is sustainable development. Sustainable development. Okay. Let's start with the meaning of sustainable development. Sustainable development's meaning. Meaning of sustainable development. The sustainable development is development that meets the needs of present generation without the compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. To meet their own needs. So, sustainable development is the development in which we are using resources in such a way that we are not compromising our present need, and we are conserving resources for future generation. Okay, now we will move on. Needs for sustainable development. Needs for sustainable development. Why we need sustainable development? The main reason uh, for our emphasis on sustainable development, sustainable economic development, are as follows. वन बाय वन डिटेल में कंप्लीट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज एंड इन्वायरमेंट एज अ कॉमन हेरिटेज. सो economic development and overall quality of life depend on the stock of natural resources, and the uh, quality of environment are common heritage for all generations. The stock of natural resources and quality of environment, quality of air, water, land, etc. So therefore it is important that all generations should have equal opportunities of using these resources. So this is very simple concept that all the natural resources are common heritage for all generation. If one generation use more and more natural resources indiscriminately to achieve short-term economic goals, then next generation penalize for that. Yes, if one generation use more and more natural resources indiscriminately uh, to achieve short-term economic goals, then next generation penalize for that. So there is ethical compulsion. There is ethical compulsion for the present generation to guarantee the future generation opportunities similar to the ones it has emerged. It has enjoyed. Sorry. Second point is indiscriminate use of natural resources. Indiscriminate means disorganized. So many industrialized industrialized developed countries the world have a history of causing rapid depletion of the stock of natural resources. So some countries which are highly developed have used their natural resources so much and their quality of natural resources that they are not able to maintain for future generations. Yes. Next one is use of natural resources as the cost of development. So it is believed, it is widely believed that now that depletion of the stock of natural resource and degradation of environment should be treated as the cost of development. These costs must be deducted from the national income to know growth rate of the one realistic terms. Okay, so there should be proper way to use of natural resources, because we maintain the quality of natural resources for future generation. If a country using natural resources without thinking, they use it too much, then what will happen? They will not be able to maintain natural resources. Natural resources will end, so that again problem came. Next one is quality of life depend on the quality of environment. So sustainable development is the important for improving the quality of life of the present generations as well. Quality of life depend on, among other things, healthy and long life, balanced diet and safe drinking water, clean air, better sanitation, hygienic environment, etc. So the quality of life depend to the great extent on the quality of the environment. How how good the environment will be, the quality of life be as good. As the polluted environment, the same life will not be good. Okay.